Today's workout is countdown interval. I'll show you the screen right here. Tapos na pag barefoot PR tayo ng sub 1. And yo, come here. So, we joined the 10 km event yesterday. Sub 1 tayo, and then PR din tayo sa barefoot natin. So, you can check my video from yesterday. And yeah. Ngayon, interval for a recovery run today. And tomorrow we'll go get some rest. Yeah, that's it. May ulit. Oh, dito intro po. Nag-sub 1 din siya. 52 minutes. Mamaw. So, 52 minutes. So, that's it. 5K lang yan. 9K ako. Mamaya ulit. 5:36. 5 minutes.